We're going to open, see what's inside, and we're going to do installation for this one. I have searched many of this. Is many different of this one, but I choose this one. A little bit expensive, but I hope this one will be good. So we're going to open first and see what's inside. It's very big fuel tank. It's very thin. You have 3 holes here. Very nice. Very big actually. I didn't believe that was so big. So this is what you get first. You get, I don't know this in English, but yeah. Sorry for my English. Maybe I cannot name to everything, but you understand what this is, and you will see later when I install this one. Second, it's here is kit. This one. We just take out everything and then we can. So now we have everything. This one I think is let's see here something first. The heater is here, and this controller where you can control. This is the heater itself. Look like this. You have 2, very cheap actually, but maybe it's good. We will see. We will see. And we have something more here. We have this one. We have this one. This one goes here, and it's go inside in heater, and you going to install this outside of your house. Cable, diesel filter. This one is the pump. This one is the pump. Here is some filter, very cheap filter, and hose to the fuel. So this is everything here. This one goes here, and this one goes here, and this you can stretch it out, I think, like this. Here we have the display, and you get the remote control like this, and I will show you how to connect later. This is all the part, which this one will go to the controller, so you can put your controller inside in your house. This one will go to the pump, and this one will go to the heater. And here we have all the small details inside here. and this one is flexible if you want to I think to put here, and this one goes here, and you can secure it with this one. You get one like this. I don't know if I need this one. And you get 10 liters fuel tank, which we have to make hole here, to make one hole here, and to put fuel. So first thing we're going to do, we're going to make hole here. This you can get here. So we're going to make hole here inside and put this one through the tank and secure it after. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Forgot to tell you something. This is a 12 volt. You can see here it's 12 volt, and you get the fuse here, and you see here is 12 volt, 15 ampere, which you will connect this to the battery, which I will show you later. But I forgot to say that is 12 volt. This one, so you have to have connected this to the 12 volt battery. Very excited. You can choose to make hole in this tank. You have two direction. You have here or here, so you can add it like this, or you can add it like this. And I choose to do like this because I'm going to, I have buy a new car, and I'm going to make that to my camping van. So I think it will be nice to do it in this way. So we're going to make hole here. This one will flip. So you fit in your there. This is done. Hopefully it will be no leak here, but we will check later. So this is done now, and now we're going to the next part. Next step is to put this one here, and here we have the fuel place, so this one has to be next step is to install this I don't know actually in English, but you can do it like this if you want, and in this case we're going to do like this, just to modify it, and you have this one which will lock. I don't think we have someone more smaller, and second one is this filter which goes here, and of course you have to secure this with another one here. which I will do soon, like this. Yes. And second one. So this is a filter, and this is a little bit difficult, but we will try our best. And last but not least, next thing we're going to install is the pump and filter. And here we have all thing it's coming with. So here we have diesel pump, diesel filter, and here we have a pump. And what I read, so it's going to be 45-degree angle, and this one it's coming with so you put this one here like this, so like this, a little bit more somewhere in the middle, and you have to put this one not straight but in around 45-degree. Here's the connection, I will show you later. And this is a diesel pump, a diesel filter. We'll go here and like this. You can see this is a very cheap filter. Everything is plastic, and you can clean this one anytime you want. You can clean this anytime you want. This is very nice actually. So we're going to just a test. When I put this in my car, I have to modify this much better. This is very long example, and I have to do this the best way, but this is just for the test. And we're going to put the pump here in 45-degree, just for the. Now we have the connection, and it goes like this. This big bad boy, it's going here. Like this, and here we have this this one. You have a click here, and when you connect with the pump, you have to push this down, and after leave it. This, we push it down. Have to have to click here, and so that is secure. Next one, we have a controller here, so like this, and this is a remote control. Which I think it's worth, but you have to connect first, so we will test this a little bit later. And last one is the battery. Now is everything connected, and all we need now is to connect to battery. We need a little bit fuel, so we're going to go and take some fuel, and we're going to test this bad boy. Hopefully it will work. And second is to connect the battery . Yes, here it's connected. Now it's connected, and I have to figure out how to start this one. And now we're going to start this up like this. To start this up, hold OK, and this, and to start you just hold this and it kicks up. And now it's coming a little bit cold here. I don't know, you have to put a little bit higher. It's 16 grades Celsius. But the fuel, the pump is not kicking off. The fan is holding to be warm. I don't know what's happened. This pump, it should kick out. No, now it's kicking out and it's pumping diesel here, you see. You see here, the diesel will come all the way. It will take time because it's very long hose, and the fan it's coming, but it will take some time. So that's the temperature right now. It's 12 grades Celsius. This fan is coming up, but it's taking time. And you can see the diesel is almost there. It's filling up the pump. And here it should come cold, but warm, but right now it's kicking off the diesel. And it's only 12. We can test the remote. It's working. And we have level 6. The pump is kicking up diesel here. You can see it's filling up diesel. Now it's happened something, and it come here a little bit warm. It looks like, it smells like shit. So when you install this one have to be outside of your house, not inside. You can see. I'll put my mic here. And it start to come warm. It's warm. Maybe will be some smoke too. And this one, this fan, it's kicking out cold. And diesel pump is go full speed. Now it's happened. Now it's happened. Now it's begin to come warm. Yes. Now it's happened something. Here it's coming little bit smoke, and it's very hot. Here we go. I have to put this one under here because it's very hot. Very hot. And here it's begin to come hot too. It's 74, 65 Celsius. $35. It's very hot. And it's coming heat. This is very nice. Very nice. Absolutely nice. Here we go, guys. Remember, this one have to be outside. This one have to be outside of your house. This is the filter. And this one, it's kicking full now, full. Very nice. Very nice. This is very hot, so never touch this one. And it's coming hot too here. Very hot. $90, $100. Absolutely amazing. And here I put some, maybe 1 liter diesel. This will maybe go, if I have full here, if I go down, it will slow down. You can see, you can hear it will slow down. But it's coming very much heat here. So if I put one more, it will slow down more. And it doesn't sound so much. Very quiet, actually. If I hide this one to the full, you can see it kick up directly, and now it's a little bit louder. But the fan is pulling out more heat, more heat, more heat, more heat. Absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. And we can hide this full. If we hold this OK, it's 160. Now it's taking 11 volt. So when this is warm, doesn't take so much battery. So I have to figure out how I change this Celsius. I don't really know. I have to read that one. I have to change this one. 12 volt, level 3, level 3, level 6, and now it's kicking more. This one is very hot and it smells disaster. So this one have to be outside, and this one is warming up. Very, very, very nice. And it almost here. Absolutely awesome. You can put one more thing here. This one. And it's very hot here, so you cannot hold it. If you hold closer, it's very hot. You cannot hold too close. Very nice. Works very well. I have to find out this one. 160, 70 Celsius. It's I don't really know how it's worked, that one. I have to figure out, but it's warming up very good, and I'm pretty happy. After you shut down this one, it will run few minutes to cool it down, this heater. I think that is for the safety. So when you shut down this one, it will contain the fan few minutes, so this one be cool. After that it will shut down completely. Yes guys, this was all for today. Thank you very much for watching. Make sure guys you subscribe, because I'm going to install this in my van. So make sure you like guys, and subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.